now we've got it all put together. Everything's bolted down, everything's tight, chains are on. You can kind of see how that all goes together now. There's the clutch. Goes down to the pillow block bearings on each side. 13 tooth, 13 tooth, down to the 48 tooth. Not exactly sure what the tooth is that it comes with on the clutch, but it's got to be really close to a 12 or a 13 tooth as well. Still got to put the holes in the cover over here so I can put the grommets in it so it'll fit over top of the this is where I put my ice auger, and that way I can put the cover on, put those back on, put the ice auger on. And I was going to show you this too. I actually took and put in ice cleats in all the treads on the track for those days you go out on the ice and it's just glass sheet ice, and that'll help give you traction. The only thing left to do, I believe, is see if it'll turn on. Up here on the handlebars, I've got this clear up in the air. We've got the kill switch there, and so I think I've got this turned off down here. Turn that to on. I always like a little bit of choke on them. Of course, it's going to run. Reach clear up here to the throttle. Let's see if we get a little forward movement out of it. Oh yeah. Okay, that's it. That is going to be a wrap for this video. And the next video I put out, we'll have this out on the ice or just out in the yard in the snow, showing you how it performs. Like I said before, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll be posting some more videos soon. Thank you. That's pretty bumpy.